Hello, this is Mary. If you're interested in creating social media posts for your business or personal reasons, then in today's episode I'm going to show you how to use Logopit Plus for this.
I gave you my heart.
Welcome to Digital Marketing Fast.online. It's a channel for everyone who is interested in online content creation and improving their internet marketing skills. If it sounds like you, please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell button to be notified. I actually compared 3 Android apps to find out their pluses and minuses. I made an Excel spreadsheet and I have shared it with you in the description below the video. Back to the topic. How to create quickly and easily unique images. Over 2 examples, I show you step by step how to get the best out of Logopit Plus. This app is full of free stock images, stickers and templates to use, so you can create awesome, unique images for your social media platforms in less than 5 minutes. Just create new. Now you can choose where you need your post. Is it for a Facebook or Twitter or Instagram? And this is accurate size as well. Facebook has different cover size for mobile and the desktop version. So how you know which one is this Facebook cover here? I'll show you now. You take the top corner and choose canvas size. And it shows 820 times 312. That means desktop size. If you want to have it optimized for mobile, then the right size would be 640 times 360. And it changes it for you. Instagram post. Templates to modify or take inspiration from. For example, for Facebook posts, there's different suggestions. This is a Facebook post size. It has lots of royalty-free photos. And you can search them. Let's put cat here and search. There you go. All nice kitty cats here. Or you can take the category cafe. So you would like to start with background. You can choose a color. I've already put the grid on. And it also activates snap. It makes, as you can see now it jumps, like it helps you to get the right place for your item. Lock it into position. Now when you touch it, it doesn't move because it has so many fonts. These are kind of pre-selected ones. Here, I, J, K. It takes a long time to get till the end of the alphabet. You can choose the category. So, and handwriting. Yeah, all handwritings here. And monospace. Display of different languages as well. This app is designed for logo making and therefore stickers are optimized for logo making. All stickers have a random color and you can easily change it later. From these categories, you mainly need ornaments and backgrounds for your social media posts and text art. On the left hand side you can see layers. When I choose new item, it goes to the top. Now when I want to send the sticker behind the text, I can do it in 3 ways. I either use the hamburger menu, or I can use little arrows next to the icon. I can tap and drag into right position. Layers stay in a chosen order even when you start modifying background item. It's important when you do more complex work. Many other apps keep bringing the item you work on to the top. And you might not even notice when things get hidden behind the other layer. Here is the long story short. First you choose the background image, then you choose ornaments or stickers. You resize them, measure, change the color. You might need to duplicate and flip your stickers around. Final touch for the ornament or sticker. And then you add the text, choose the font, change the color, find the right place. And you are done. Save the draft if you want to edit it later, because it doesn't do it automatically, even when you download the item. If you find value from this video, please like and share it with your friends. The more people know how to create nice posts, the more enjoyable social media experience will become for all of us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!